Dictionary way we have started from the data collection part. So among that we have completed list, tuples, and the set part. Now dictionary we need to see. So last time we have done the example of dictionary demo. Yeah. So we just understand here like how to declare the dictionary, which will store in key value pairs, and it can hold the value of any kind like string, integer, floats, even though it can hold the list as well. And then we have see the part like how to print all the data, length of the data, and single individual elements, and the key base. It can access the value based on the key. And I also we have discussed that it is a dynamic one. When I say the dynamics, so we can set the value, right? We can update the value as well. So today we'll see the part how to remove the element from the dictionary and how to do changes in the dictionary, whichever the dictionary we have. Okay. So let's start with the some example where we can changing the dictionary and removing the data from the dictionary. So you can take any dictionary car. So let me take a car as a dictionary. So you can take this and store the value in the key value pair, take to demo, like, and take. Hmm. Let me take any key, like I take a brand as a, you can take any brand, suppose for it's common. It's common. Now we'll see how to update that more dictionary. I'll take any suppose the model, suppose model have mastering models. Or you can take the year of manufacture, 19, anything there. Let me consider 64. So this is how we dictionary made. And if I print the dictionary, so we'll simply print like you can see that as a car. So we'll get the output, whichever the dictionary. Oh, CAR, not CAE. Car. So now you can see that we have brand, Ford, model, this, and here some things. But suddenly you realize that I want to add something in that. Like I forgot that color is missing. So we have a brand model here, but the color is missing. So as it is a dynamic, so we can update that dictionary or we can add something in the dictionary. Okay. So that the formula at formula means syntax for updating dictionary. Update dictionary. So how to update it? You can simply use the dictionary names as we have a name as a car is there. Dot update is a function name. Then whatever you want to add, put it with the curly brackets and similar things. What you want to add, you want to add colors and which is of any color that you want to specify. Let me mention that right. Okay. So this is what the function where we can update the dictionary. So let me print the car. Like,
Hello.
hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. But the screen is.
Okay, screen is not visible. Oh, not shared. Let me share that screen first. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is last time you see the dictionary. Now we see how to update the dictionary, existing dictionary. This is the original dictionary. and we want to add something in that. So we'll use the update function, dictionary dot updates. So the first dictionary color is missing. The second time we're adding a colors. So if I use the first and the last dictionary, it come to know we are not printing it yet. So let me print card. I can see in the previous dictionaries was this, and later on we are added color as a dictionary. So this is how we can update the dictionary. And one thing remember here, if I want to one more want to update, like I use a car dot update. But if you use a similar key, okay, let me use the year, year. Year, it is not 1964. Let me consider it as a 1974. In that case, it will not add the new year. It will replace the previous key. So that is year is now printing 1964, but after updating, it will print the new year. Yeah, that's it now. See, its previously year is 1964, but we are updated with the 1974. So this is for understanding like dictionary is a dynamic one. Okay, we can change the dictionary. Now, it is for update. What if you want to remove something? Okay, for accessing dictionary value, we are using a key, and for removing also, we can going to use the key only. But the function for removing, you can say that remove or delete dictionary data. Remove function. To remove function, we use the car dot pop is a function, but it use the key name. So what do you want to remove? I want to use remove the model from the text. So now if you want to print it, here I am to print car. So it will remove the part, model parts, and it will keep remaining all the things as it is. I can see that. Let me run one more times. Run F5. See, this is the original list. After that, we are updated with the colors, and then later on we are updated only years. If the new key is there, it will update the new value, but it is already existing key, then it will replace the value for the key. And if you want to remove something, you can directly use that key name. So as we are removing the model, so it is removing the model. So we have seen how to remove and how to update it. Okay. So the pop function will remove. Okay. Let me add here. Pop remove the with the specified value. Remove element with specified value or key. And there is a one more function that is called a pop item. Okay. Pop item. If I use a car dot POPITEM. So this pop item, there is no need to pass anything. Okay. PRINT print car. CAR. So the pop items will remove the data by default from the last. Okay, remove the last item from the dictionary. POPITEM. Pop items. Remove the last item from the dictionary. Okay. And which one were last item? That is called color is the last item. You can see now color is get removed. Here we are removing the model. But in second times, we are removing the pop item. That is by default the last item, whichever may be added, that will get removed. So for removing, there is a pop and the pop items. But for the adding, only thing is there, add items. Okay, so this is how we can make the dictionary as a dynamics. Either we can add, either we can remove. So now if you want to get only the values, all the values from the dictionary. So that is also the one kind of functions can directly use the values as a function. So tr and we print, you can directly use the car dot values, or we can simply take any example here. Suppose you take any value here, variables, and the car dot value. Just like all how you can get all the keys in similar manner, you can get all the values 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 from the dictionary. Okay, just bring the vl print here. See, it will print dictionary values for mustering 1964. Okay, similar manner, there is a key is also there. Key will print all the keys. So you can get all the keys same as the things. So it will print the values. In a similar manner, if you want all the keys, we can use it on the car dot keys keys. It will print all the keys from the dictionary. First one is printing all the values, second one printing all the keys. So these are very helpful to how many values are there in the dictionary and how many keys are there in the dictionary. If you want only value, you can use the value. If you want only keys, you can get the keys. So this thing will help out to solve the problems. If you want to add something, if you want to remove some things, so you can easily get this kind of things. Okay, get it? And one more thing is there, if you want to clear the dictionary, that also you can use. For example, you direct to the car dot clear, clear, but it will throw error for the other part because we are accessing the dictionary file. See, so the next time it will be get cleared. The clear will be remove all the data from the dictionary. Okay, I'll just make the comment. Scar clear, clear. Remove all element from dictionary. Perfect. So these are the function which will be the help out to interact with the dictionary. We can add, we can remove, we can get the values, we can get the keys, we can get the specified value based on the keys. We can remove based on the keys or remove by default last item. So these are the very helpful functions to solve the largest problems. So just we have completed the part of list tuple dictionary and sets. And now from the Tuesday, or sorry, Wednesday onward, we'll start solving the problem based on the list tuple dictionary and the set. Till now, whatever we have done, practice all the parts. So that will be the help you out to solve the problems. Okay, cool. So you understood dictionary? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
It's important one. It's because as we go
Mm.
further, as last time also I told you too that the dictionary is very important because it holds a large amount of data. and it will very help you out in while learning the machine learning and data science projects. Okay, so dictionary will be the help you out. So you must know the all the function to extract, update, remove, get everything. How many key, how many values, what is the length. So these are the function which are going to we are using we will going to use to solve the problems as for this. Okay. So as of now, we just completed all the parts. Among that, we have done some of the example based on the list and tuples. But dictionary is important. We also are going to understand how to make a dynamic dictionary. Means accept the number of keys from the user and values from the users and accordingly make the dictionary. Some menu driven kind of program. So a lot of variation we can do. Or if I told you to extract the list data from the given dictionary. So from the key we can get the list, but again we have to extract this list also. So within the dictionary, how to extract the list. So this is also important knowledge because it may happen that a dictionary contain all the different lists. So at a time, from the key basis, all the list value must be get access. And once we have a list, then we know very well like list is a dynamics. We can extract the data from the list, do some modification and generate a new list. So many combination we can do. So just we have understood all the kind of functions. Now next lecture we'll implement all the functions together to solve the real world problems.